everyone, especially to you, sir. My name is Ellen Napea Sonyo, second year student of Libaco College Science and Technology, taking up Bachelor of Special Needs Education. Today, I am excited to share with you some valuable insight and knowledge about gifted and talented learners. Major 5 Gifted and Talented Learners. Number 1 is social emotional needs of gifted and talented learners. The number one is perfectionism. Gifted and talented learners often set high expectations for themselves and may struggle with perfectionism. Number two is emotional intensity. Gifted and talented learners may experience heightened emotion and intensive reaction to both positive and negative experiences. Number three is peer relationships. Gifted and talented learners may have difficulty finding peers who share their interests and abilities. They may benefit from opportunities to connect with like minded peers through enrichment programs or extracurricular activities. Number two is the challenges and struggles of gifted and talented learners and their families. Number one is lack of appropriate educational opportunities. Gifted and talented learners may face a lack of challenging and stimulating educational experiences in traditional classroom settings. Number two is pressure and high expectation. Gifted and talented learners may face pressure to constantly excel academically, which can lead to stress and anxiety. Number three is peer relationships and social acceptance. Gifted and talented learners may struggle to find peers who understand and appreciate their abilities and interests. Number four is lack of appropriate resources. There may be a lack of resources both in schools and in the community to adequately support the unique needs of gifted and talented students and their families. Next is multiple intelligence is a theory proposed by Howard Gardner, a developmental psychologist and professor at Harvard University. Howard Gardner was born on July 11, 1943, in Scranton, Pennsylvania, USA. He is a renowned psychologist and professor. He known for his theory of multiple intelligences. Gardner earned his bachelor's degree from Harvard University and later obtained his PhD in developmental psychology from Harvard as well. He has authored numerous books and articles on cognitive science, education, and intelligences. So these are the multiple intelligences proposed by Howard Gardner. Number one is linguistic intelligence, the ability to understand and use language effectively. Number two, logical mathematical intelligence, the ability to reason, analyze, and solve problems using logic and mathematical concepts. Number three, spatial intelligence, the ability to perceive and manipulate visual spatial information. Number three, bodily kinesthetic intelligence, the ability to control one's body movements and handle objects skillfully. Next is musical intelligence, the ability to understand and create music. Interpersonal intelligence, the ability to understand and interact effectively with others. Next, intrapersonal intelligence, the ability to understand oneself, including one's emotion, motivations, and goals. Next is naturalistic intelligence, the ability to recognize and categorize patterns in nature. And last, essential intelligence, the ability to contemplate and understand deep philosophical and essential questions. The teaching strategies of gifted and talented learners. Number one is enrichment activities. Providing activities that go beyond the standard curriculum can help to further challenge and stimulate gifted and talented learners. These can include projects, experiments, and field trips. Number two is independent study project, allowing gifted and talented learners to pursue their own areas of interest can help to keep them engaged and motivated. Number three is differentiated instruction. Provide individualized learning experiences that match the abilities and interests of gifted and talented learners. Offer advanced content, enrichment activities, and opportunities for independent research or project. Number four, Problem based learning. Present gifted and talented learners with real world problems or open ended questions that require creative thinking and problem solving skills. And number five, mentorship and collaboration. Facilitate connections between gifted and talented learners and experts in their field of interest. Encourage collaboration and peer mentoring to foster social and intellectual growth. That's all, and thank you so much. Once again, good day.